Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Regina, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is here to help you plan your local and long-distance moving project. Don't get drowned by the logistics involved and let one of our professional movers take care of the details for you. We assist in commercial and residential moves for the Regina, Canada area. We will give you all the necessary information for you to make an informed decision. The first thing you should do in moving long distance is getting an estimate. An on-site inspection is the best way to do that. You also need to make sure that said estimate is in writing and check whether it's fixed price or not. 3 Movers will provide you with such an estimate, and we will make sure that all relevant charges are included. This way you don't have to go through mental gymnastics just to get an organized plan. Although the urge to handle your local relocation on your own could be strong, we advise against it based on our past experiences. While moving locally is simpler and less expensive than moving long distance, there are still many details to plan for. When starting off, as a simple task, you can easily drag on and cause frustration. You may rest easy knowing that we've got it covered when you hire us. We will take care of transporting your belongings to your new home so you can get started right away. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Regina moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.